Welcome everyone. I hope you're not just watching this video. I hope you are here to wake up because today I'm not going to motivate you. I'm going to give you a mirror. A mirror that will show you the truth. Not the truth about the world. Not the truth about your job, your money, your parents, your past. No. I will show you the truth about you. The truth about the one thing that is silently shaping your entire life, even when you're not paying attention to it. Your choices, every failure, every success, every regret, every breakthrough, is not luck. It's not fate. It's not destiny. It's a choice, a small one, a silent one, a repeated one. And what you don't realize is you are just one choice away from a completely different life. But most people never make that choice. They wait, they hope, they complain, they scroll, and they don't even realize they are choosing all of it. Today, you will realize what you've been doing to yourself. And when this video ends, you will never see your life the same way again. It will also improve your English because here you don't just learn English. You feel it. You grow with it. So listen carefully. Let every word hit you. And if you're ready to grow, make sure you subscribe. Now, let's begin the deep psychology behind choice. Why we keep choosing the wrong life and how to break it. Let me ask you a question. Why do smart people stay stuck? Why do people say, I want to be successful, but continue watching Netflix for 6 hours? Why do people say, I want to change but keep doing the exact same things every day? The answer is simple but dangerous because they are not aware of the hidden psychology behind every choice. Let's break it open. The human brain hates hard choices. Your brain is a survival machine. It is not designed for success. It is not designed for dreams. It is designed to keep you alive. And the best way to stay alive, according to the brain, is stay comfortable. Every time you have to choose between waking up early versus sleeping in, starting that business versus staying in a job you hate, facing pain versus avoiding it, your brain screams, choose comfort, choose safety, even if it destroys your future, even if it leads to years of regret, because to the brain, safety feels more important than success. That's the trap. Every choice is controlled by emotion, not logic. You think you're making logical decisions, but you're not. You're making emotional decisions and justifying them with logic later. You say, I didn't go to the gym because I was tired. But the truth is, you didn't go because the emotional pain of getting up was stronger than the emotional reward of change. Success is not about making good choices. It's about training yourself to make emotionally painful choices every day without escaping the loop trap. How we repeat the same life. Here's the brutal part. Every time you choose comfort, you reinforce a loop. You're not just making a single choice, you're building a default setting.